Hola my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and this is a girl Gurishq Kaur, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to go from this to this. So if you want to learn this reverse smoky eyeliner look to rock your Indian outfits, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start by priming my face with the Mettle Priming Balm by Sugar. It's actually a very unique formula, like a silicone based primer, and it's very easy to fill up your pores with this one. It gives a soft blur to the skin, so I like to apply it on my cheek area and also a little on my smile lines. Next up, to have a smooth canvas, I'm going to use the Rage for Coverage foundation in the variant Galao. Then I'm going to mix it up with a little bit of the Drop the Base foundation in the number 10 Latte to get that perfect soft matte base. The marriage of these two foundation formulas is just the most beautiful full coverage yet skin-like base. Then I'm going to go ahead and set the face with the Sugar Powder Play Compact. It's in the variant Banana. Further, to add some dimension back to my face, I'm going to use the Contour de Force palette, pick up that contour shade and apply it towards the perimeters of my face. Then I'm going to pick that beautiful peachy blush shade and flush up them cheeks. Lastly, going to pick some highlighter on a fan brush and precisely apply it on the high points of my face. Next up, to fill my brows, I've chosen the Arc Arrival Micro Brow Pencil, and yeah, here I'm just lightly filling in my brows. This gives like a really nice and natural look to your brows. Again, dipping into the same Contour de Force palette, picking some blush shade on my eyeshadow brush and just running it through my crease. Next up, it's time for the main event, the kohl drama. So I'm going to normally line my eyes with the kohl as I usually do, and further go ahead and thicken it up and draw a slight extension wing to it. Then again, I'm going to dip into the blush and going to use a pencil brush to slightly smudge it and soften it out for that nice smoky effect. Further, I'm going to add loads and loads of mascara because we're keeping this look very practical and basic. So I'm not going to add a pair of falsies. We're just going to plump up those natural lashes for today. And just a moment to admire how beautiful the eyes look, don't they? Last but not the least, gonna add the matte as hell lip crayon in the variant Honey Rider. So I'm going to use this as a lip liner, and then just with the tip of my finger, I'm basically going to blend out, the remaining of it, because I want like sort of a tint, like a pink tint to my lips instead of an opaque lipstick. And there you are, ready. It looks so soft and beautiful and youthful. Just the perfect look to carry on pretty much any Indian occasion, don't you think? And that's all for today. I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye, beauties.